Pridružite se nam pri odkrivanju stanovanja v Portorožu, ki presega meje držav ter združuje ljudi z vizijo lepote. Ozadje harmoničnega kaosa sestavljajo umetniški kosi z vseh koncev sveta, od Irana in Uzbekistana pa vse do lokalnih starinarnic. Kako je arhitektki uspelo subtilno združiti zgodbe preteklosti s sodobnostjo in kakšno vlogo pri tem igra njen partner, v prispevku, ki sledi. Pripravite se, kajti tole stanovanje ima veliko vsega. Subtilen pridih luksuza, umetniški navdih in predvsem drzno kombiniranje barv, vzorcev, starega in novega, in še jezike bomo malo pomešali. Маша, привет!
Привет!
Вы откуда и сколько времени вы уже в Словении?
Я из России. Я здесь живу уже 3 года. Я из Москвы.
In že znate kaj slovensko?
Unfortunately not. К сожалению, нет. But I hope to study Slovenian. Actually, it's my dream to study Slovenian.
Kako ste našli tole stanovanje? Kaj vas je tukaj prepričalo? Kaj vas je poklicalo?
Actually, that was my best friend in Slovenia. Her name is Blanka. She helped me to find this amazing space, which I came, and it was the love from the first sight.
Maša je kot izkušena arhitektka takoj videla potencial stanovanja z visokimi stropovi, ki je bilo potrebno prenove. Nahaja se v prvem nadstropju 120 let stare portoroške vile, ki ima status kulturnega spomenika. Nova lastnica si je ustvarila harmoničen, intimni prostor ter previdno izbrala kose pohištva, zbirateljska umetniška dela in eksponate. Kot da si je pri barvah resnično dala duška ter s tem pokazala radost do življenja in svojih novih začetkov v Sloveniji. Zdi se, da se res ne bojite kombinirati barv in vzorcev in to močnih stvari, ki ima vsaka en poseben svoj značaj. Kaj je tukaj vaš pravi recept za pravo mero?
You know, I'm from Russia. The half of the year we have snow and snow. So, I mean, we don't see any colors except for all the shadows of white and gray, let's say. That's why I adore colors. Actually, my grandfather, he was a drawing person. My father was a drawing person. So, for me, colors is something, I'm okay with the colors. I grown up with the colors. So, I decided to make this colorful interior because ambience outside as well. Because we see here the sea, the hills, green hills, and sun, yellow sun. So it seemed to me, because usually I try to integrate my interior in some exterior ambience.
Okay.
And now it seems to me that it's very logical to have here so many colors.
Prostrana dnevna soba je osrčje stanovanja. V njej je vse polno elementov in vzorcev, ki jih je lastnica pogumno kombinirala. V sobi sobivajo stari klavir, kamin, zofa nadstandardnih dimenzij in še bi lahko naštevali. Vsak umetniški eksponat svojo lastno zgodbo pripomore k celotnemu vzdušju. En vzorec, ki se diskretno ponavlja, pripomore k vtisu, da so vsi elementi pohištva, detajli in umetnine v sozvočju.
Yeah, I can tell about the patterns. For example, on this carpet you see these stripes, and you can see these stripes on this light as well. So the human eye likes the rhythm of patterns. So everything is not by occasion on this interior, of course. The combination of colors like blue and orange and this fuchsia color and turquoise color, it's like low. They support each other. They work on each other.
Partner lastnice, ki je velika ljubiteljica umetnosti, je priznani italijanski oblikovalec pohištva. In Maša, a je vaš partner sploh imel kaj besede pri odločanju glede tega vašega stanovanja?
Of course.
Aha.
Of course. He was asked a question, guess what color would be the sofa in our living room? And he guessed. He said blue. that was the right answer.
Ok, skratka, veliko vpliva.
Prenove in opremljanja stanovanja, ki deluje prefinjeno, a hkrati drzno, se je lastnica lotila z veliko strastjo, z mislijo na vsak detajl. Okna in vrata je vseeno pustila takšna, kot so bila. Enako je naredila tudi s starimi ometi, ki so na nekaterih mestih v dnevni sobi ostali vidni. Spremenila pa je razporeditev v domu, s čimer je pridobila prostor za jedilnico in tudi za umetniške eksponate.
V tej jedilnici se pa človek počuti modrega. Kaj je tukaj zadnja ideja? Ja, čustvuj si bila mudrim.
Mudrim?
Da,
Bravo.
yes.
Yeah. Actually, when I saw the color of the sea, which is just in front, 50 meters from this house, I decided that I should bring a sea here. So that's why I decided to paint the ceiling in blue and to put, for example, this Greek cover, which I bought there in blue. And you can notice maybe some Eastern hint like these elements. Could be strange, but I found it on exhibition in Paris, Maison et Objets. They are from Iran, and I just ordered it. It came from me directly from Iran. Same like this Eastern hint. This is Uzbekistan painter, very talented. So I brought it from Uzbekistan. So it's kind of sea and it's kind of mix, Slovenian sea and some nice pieces from all over the world.
No, in ena taka tipična slovenska lesena kuhinja, ne?
Lesena, yes. I don't know what wood is it. Is this an oak or maybe it's labitula, rover? I don't know. I found this surface on the exhibition I Saloni di Milano. It was just a sample. It did not exist. But I came to this place and I said, I'm an architect from Russia. I'm brave, I'm bold, as you said, to be the first client to be. So that's how it came here to live, this kitchen.
Stanovanje, ki oddaja subtilen pridih luksuza, ima veliko ogledal, ki dodatno vizualno povečajo prostor. Poleg ogledal so zaščitni znak stanovanja zanimiva svetila. Med seboj so stilsko različna, saj so tako moderna kot klasična, obiskovalec pa jih lahko doživlja kot umetniško delo. Medtem ko so dnevna soba, jedilnica in kuhinja orientirane proti morju in so med sabo povezane, je za 2 spalnici rezerviran bolj diskreten del stanovanja. Poleg kuhinje je lastnica netipičen material, plastične tapete iz steklenih vlaken, uporabila tudi v kopalnici. Ta je umeščena v prostor, kjer je bila včasih vrtna lopa. Zdaj je skrita za steno, ki jo pokriva fototapeta, kar pripomore k mirnemu vzdušju v spalnici.
In zdaj smo v spalnici, ki je spet nekaj posebnega. Kakšna je njena osnovna ideja?
Idea was to make a calm space, like a cloud, you know, to feel here like on the cloud. Yes, I decided to hide the bathroom inside. So you can see the secret room here, which did not exist actually, because there was a wall and there was a space which they entered from outside. It was just a garden, a small room for garden instruments. So we decided to put it here inside the flat.
Na dan snemanja je imela gostiteljica Maša še druge opravke. Izbirala si je nove umetnine. Kot ljubiteljica umetnosti je odkrila lokalno umetnico.
Aha, se tle pa vidim. Vam je očitno prostora zmanjkalo za nove slike ali kaj takega?
Yes, exactly. Actually, you know, I don't have space. I need another home for my new pictures because I just found it here in Slovenia, in Piran. There is a local artist, very talented, very authentic, I would say. So on these pictures you can see some sides of Piran, and I just put it here in order to choose which one I would like to put on the walls and where to put it.
In kdo je ta avtor?
Fulvia Zudic. This is the name of after. She's local and she's very authentic and talented from my side.
In Maša, za konec nam povejte, kaj ste vi v Rusiji pravzaprav počeli? To bo še posebej zanimivo.
In Russia, I used to participate at the same project like yours, actually. It was called Idealny Remont, Ideal Renovation, and we used to come to the houses of famous people, celebrities, famous actors, singers, people from TV. So spectators wanted to see what is inside their house, and I asked, what would you like to change in your house? What style would you prefer, etc. And I tried to implement their dreams. And that was very popular on Russian TV, on First Channel, Federal Channel.
Vi ste bili arhitektka te oddaje, ne?
Ja.
To pomeni ruski ambienti, ne, po svoje.
Ruski ambienti. It was Ruski ambienti.
Okay.
Exactly.
Ampak tudi v slovenskih je v redu, ne? Slovenski ambienti so vam pa tudi v redu.
Ja.
To.